Hello friends, welcome to Solid Edge Sheet Metals tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn Solid Edge Sheet Metal Emboss command. So this Emboss command is not activated. We need two design bodies. One is target body and second is tool body. For tool body, we have two options. First is we can add tool body from this add option, and second option is we can add directly from another part. So we will learn first option. So click on add body, name as tool, click OK, tab, select plane or face. I will take polygon by center, close sketch. Thickness will be as per base tab. So select direction and finish, cancel. Now this command will be activated. Emboss, click on this emboss. First step is to select target body. So our target body is design body 1. And second step is to select tool body. So our tool is this. So click on tool body and click OK. Cancel. So hide this. We have emboss here on this base tab. Now this is not activated. To activate this, double click on design body 1. Now this base tab is activated. So we have more options. So click on emboss 1, select edit definition, click on more options, output, and check this box, enter die radius and punch radius, for example 2 mm, and click OK. Finish. So we have punch radius and die radius as 2 mm. Hide this tool body. This is emboss command with option 1. So we have another option. We will create emboss from existing part. So Control Z this. Activate design body 1. Go to the home tab and select this part copy. Select existing part as per gear. Click OK, open. Now link to file, keep this as it is, and we can scale this per gear as well. So click OK and finish. Now this construction bodies solid body 1 is added in this tab. Now click on emboss. First step is to select target body, and second step is to select tool body, that is this spur gear. Now it will take more time because spur gear has some complex shape. Click OK. And cancel. Now we have emboss of this spur gear on this base tab. In this added tool body, we have kept linking here. So if we change in this original body, it will reflect in this emboss command. So we will try this. Pattern, edit. We will change count as 15, for example. Enter. Now we will see it will update here automatically. This is updated. So we will color this with different shade. Go to the view tab, select part painter, select color from styles. So I will select violet and select feature, this one, and close. So this is emboss. This is emboss command. Hope have you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe for more updated videos. Thank you.